am going to teach the 5th class social studies 5th lesson, the important monarchs of India. In the previous class we will discuss about the Mauryan dynasty and also Gupta dynasty. In Mauryan dynasty, who was the king of this dynasty? Chandragupta Maurya, and he was a good and greatest emperor in the Mauryan dynasty. And Ashoka was the son of Bindusara. After the death of Bindusara, Ashoka take over his emperor, and he changed the which war? The Kalinga war. The Kalinga war is changed him. Why? Because in this war a lot of people were died. So he don't want to do like this type of wars. He follow the Buddhism. And he also planted the trees and built the viharas, chaityas. Why? Because so many people want to take rest. Some of the pilgrimages and Buddhist monks want to take rest. That's why he built viharas and some houses. Okay, ashramas and viharas. These are the information about Ashoka and Mauryan dynasty. And the Gupta dynasty. The Gupta dynasty is we start in the 380 to 415 CE. The Chandragupta II, he was the third emperor of Gupta dynasty, and he was a very famous emperor in this Gupta dynasty. And he was established his empire as capitals like that. What are the capitals? Pataliputra, now we should call the Patna, and the Ujjain. Second one is the Ujjain. That is the two capitals of in his reign. And what are the other achievements he started? The achievements, he had 9 people. Those are called Navaratnas and 9 jewels. Why? Because they are gems in his court. So he want to take advices and suggestions from them. So he appointed them, and he established 3 types of universities: Nalanda, Takshashila and Ujjain in his reign. And today I am going, and the iron pillar which is near the Delhi, that is do not rest now till this date. Why? Because the iron is very good on that time. So that is a very good build by the Chandragupta's memory. Okay, today I am going to tell about the other achievements. Last point, what is that? During the reign of Chandragupta II, Fa-Hin, he is one of the Chinese traveler. Fa-Hin, he was a Chinese traveler. He went to Chandragupta's dynasty, and he visited his court. Chandragupta's court. Fa-Hin's accounts contain information about the achievements of Chandragupta II. What happened? Visit his court, and Fa-Hin's accounts contain information. He has one book. That book he take the information about the Guptas, and he achievements of Chandragupta II's information all contained in his accounts. So according to him, people were prosperous and India traded with China. So according to him, then what happened? The Chandragupta's dynasty started the trade from here to there, China to India. So this trading is started in his dynasty. People were prosperous and India traded with China. India traded with in his which dynasty? Gupta's dynasty. And Ceylon and many countries in Europe. Finally, he traded his trade with these type of countries: China, Ceylon and the countries in Europe. This is the information about the Gupta's dynasty. Okay children, thank you.